Hey guys, welcome to this new video. Today I am giving you the Android Wallet Finder, version 2.0, that comes with a fresh tech theme style UI. I am not editing this video because I have to publish it today as I promised to you, so watch it for the password.